Have you ever felt like your website is sitting all alone on the internet, just waiting for someone to stumble across it? Jenny sure did. She opened the cutest bakery in Austin, built a mouth-watering website, but months later, crickets. No one was finding her online. If that sounds familiar, let me tell you about the secret weapon you're probably missing. Google indexing. So, what does indexed by Google even mean? Think of Google as the world's biggest library. Your website is a brand new book. But unless the librarian, aka Googlebot, knows about your book, no one can check it out, right? Indexing is how Google discovers your website, figures out what it's about, and adds it to its catalog. Once you're in, your site can show up when folks search for things like best cupcakes in Austin. For Jenny, once her site was indexed, people started finding her for cupcakes near me, and her online orders doubled. Indexing is like turning on a spotlight for your business. How does Google actually do this? Well, imagine a friendly robot browsing your site. First, it visits your pages, like a customer exploring your store. Then, it saves what it finds, adding you to Google's index. Last, Google decides where your site ranks when someone searches, but you have to help Google find you. Let me give you an example. Tom, a plumber in Chicago, had a site but 0 visitors. He signed up for Google Search Console, submitted his website, and bam! Googlebot crawled his pages. Soon enough, people searching for Emergency Plumber Chicago were calling Tom for help. So, why does all this matter to your business? Simple. More visitors, more sales, more trust. Index sites get shown in Google searches. A whopping 51% of all website traffic comes from search engines. Plus, sites on the first page get 92% of the clicks. Jenny's sales jumped by 30%. For local businesses, indexing can lead to more people walking through your door. Ready to get started? Step 1. Sign up for Google Search Console and verify your site. It's free and takes just a couple minutes. Step 2. Submit your sitemap. This helps Google see all your pages. Most website builders create a sitemap automatically. Step 3. Use the URL inspection tool to quickly request indexing for new pages. Step 4. Check your progress. GSC shows you which pages are indexed, what keywords bring in visitors, and any errors to fix. Just look at Alex, the cafe owner from Denver. He verified his site, submitted his sitemap, and his best coffee in Denver blog post took off. Foot traffic up 20% in 1 month. So don't let your business stay invisible. Google indexing is your secret weapon. Shine a spotlight on your website today. If you need help, reach out to Digital Marketing All. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing tips.